All right, we're working on the 1992 Dodge Dakota LE, four-wheel drive. So this is how far I got today. You know, probably an hour or two maybe, after taking care of my other duties around here. And then I started in on this. And I got my hydraulics relaxed right now. And that's where she came to rest. Pretty much on this jack right here. I'll try it again another day. I got a floor jack, I got this jack, and I got the engine hoist. And for safety, I didn't have, well, I got chains, but anyway, I threw this strap in. And did catch the transmission once. That turned out to be a pretty smart idea. So I didn't lose the whole thing. Actually getting pretty close. Almost got a bolt started tonight or today, but I didn't. So. So basically got it in a good stopping place. I just ran the chains on down through each side of the distributor cap. Of course, it gets wider as it goes down. And I hooked it into, it looks to me like that's what they were doing at the factory where they're making these. Anyway, there's some points you can hook into on the side of it. And actually there's four of them. You see, there's one there, and then there's one up here, and one just like it on the opposite side. So that's what I threw my bolt in for the chain. Came very close to getting it, but it's time to relax for the day, go home. So that's where I'm gonna leave it. Looks like I got that pinched up against there, but that's all right. Pretty sure my setup's gonna work. It's just gonna take a little more time. So this is John Reedy with Reedy Racing, signing off.